What if one night, the moon just vanished? No explosion, no warning. You look up, and it's simply gone. At first, nothing changes. The sky is darker, the nights feel emptier. But within hours, the oceans begin to die. The tides collapse. Beaches stretch for miles, ships get stranded, and the heartbeat of our planet stops. Without the moon's pull, Earth starts to lose balance. The planet wobbles like a spinning top about to fall. Winters grow colder, summers burn hotter, and storms begin to form where calm skies once lived. Months later, chaos. Animals migrate without direction, lost without the lunar light. Plants stop growing as climates twist and seasons break apart. The ocean currents fade, and the weather we once trusted turns alien. And humanity? We'd stare at a sky that feels wrong. No glow, no rhythm, no guide. But here's the strange part. In that darkness, the stars begin to shine brighter. We'd finally see the galaxy as it truly is, and maybe realize how fragile our balance has always been. So, if the moon disappeared tonight, would Earth find a new rhythm? Or would everything slowly drift apart?